Can anybody read what this straw says?
Jesus.
What does this one say? Okay, good. And what does this say?
Sin.
Okay, so I have a special friend that I want you guys to meet. Everyone say hi, Hank.
Hi, Hank.
Okay, he says hello. So Hank is a kid, just like y'all. He's a boy. He goes to school. He has a favorite color. He has parents. His mom said he could not go play outside, but he snuck outside anyway. And he knew that that was wrong. So what was that when Hank did that? Sin. Okay? So Hank decided that he was going to sin. Maybe not his first ever, because we're all sinners. We're all born sinners. Stealing from somebody. Okay, so what if Hank decides that he was going to steal a piece of candy, watch something that he shouldn't watch? He told a lie to maybe his teacher, maybe his mom, maybe his dad. Decided that he wanted to go to heaven. But you can't get into heaven with a bunch of sin. So Hank decided that he was going to start doing good things. Okay, he's going to help somebody. Okay, Eliana.
Sharing.
Okay. Sharing. Trey.
Giving back.
Giving back. Okay, what about holding the door for someone?
Helping someone out.
Helping someone up with it. Did those help Hank?
No.
He was doing all these good works, thinking that he was going to get to heaven.
But no.
Who is the only way to get to heaven?
Jesus.
Gracie. Jesus. Okay, because Jesus has no sin. Okay. So Hank prayed and he asked Jesus to come into his heart. And so he met Jesus. When Hank met Jesus, Jesus turned him white as snow. But do you know that when Jesus is living inside of you, you want to do good works and you want to help other people and you want to live Jesus out to other people. And he helps somebody up, or he helps somebody on their homework. So when you have Jesus in you and you do those good works through Jesus, they are clean. And then when you go to heaven, you are clean.